Hi, Robbie here from Save Stores, and I am so excited today to be talking about a special deal that we have on our Berninas right now. So we have an opportunity with their deal right now. It's National Embroidery Month. So right now they're taking their normal sewing machines and they're including free, free 99, absolutely free embroidery yarn. And I know I get a lot of quilters that say I don't need an embroidery yarn, and that's fine. I think you're wrong, but that's okay. You're entitled to your own opinion. But what I love about this right now is you're going to get the arm for free. And I'll show you later why I want it. But I really first want to show you why I like Berninas and why this is what I have at my house. So a couple things that I like. First of all, on most of the models now, they have a built-in walking foot. So what this does is actually helps give feeding on the top and the bottom. So it'll actually move with the needle and the fabric. And I want to show you what that does. So I'm going to take my foot, and I don't know if you notice here, I just took my foot off and I can put it on. It's this easy. I don't have to worry about fighting with it. Just pop her on and it's on. I don't need a screwdriver to change my feet. So this is something that's really unique to Bernina's. But I'm going to come in here, and I've got a jean seam. Here it is. So I made a pair of jeans here. So just like we'd have on a pair of jeans, we're going to hem this. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to fold it, and then fold it again. So we're going to go up and over that really thick seam that we fight with. Well, with Bernina, if I slide down, put on my walking foot, all I do is just step on the gas and it goes right up and over, and I don't have to fight with it. It also has scissors. Watch this. Cuts, lifts the foot for me, but I went right up and over that thick seam. No skips, no nothing. Super, super, super easy. Another thing that I love is Bernina has a special feature called a stitch regulator. And what it is it's an extra foot that goes onto the machine, and it comes with most of the machines right now that are getting free arms. They're going to get this foot for free. And I'm going to tell you, if you went and bought this machine on your own, it's not cheap. Well, right now it is free 99. I love that. Thanks, Bree. But I'll show you what we've got here. So when we jump in here, we're now into our free motion. And I'll tell you what free motion does. And this is the hard part. While we're driving, we're trying to steer it and keep it even. And it's hard to do. Well, right now with Bernina, I'm able to come in here. I can adjust the stitch length to whatever it is that I want. So I'm just going to do a 2.5. All I'm going to do here is step on the gas and just move the fabric. And the faster I move it, the faster it sews. The slower I move it, the slower it sews. So what it does is it kind of acts like my own foot control, and it keeps all my stitches nice and even for me. So all I do is move around my quilt, and it enables me to be able to do free motion all by myself. So I'm going to stop here. It stops with the needle down. I'm going to turn it, and I want to show you here how even these stitches are. Even though I was going fast, going slow, Bernina calls it the BSR, and I'm going to say something that's maybe not right, but I call it the BSer. I'm not going to lie. And what it does is it allows me to look way better than I'd ever look on my own. Kind of cool. Now, I want to show you one other thing that I love. So eventually, we're going to have so much fun sewing that we're going to run out of bobbin thread. Now, Bernina's going to do a trick right here on the screen. It's going to tell us when we're running out of thread. But we've got to eventually change our bobbin. And I sell a bunch of different brands of machines. I love them all. But what I love the most about Bernina is the way that they work. I can actually change my bobbin without taking off my quilt. So I can leave my entire fabric on the machine and change my bobbin. And wait till you see this. What a bobbin we have. Look at the size of that. It is humongous. I mean, literally humongous. So we're going to pop it in, wrap it around, super easy to load, and I'll show you what I love. And I'm going to take this off so you can see this. But part of what makes a Bernina is the stitch quality. So if we get underneath here and we pop this in, we have a little cutter here for our threads, which makes it easy. But I'm going to switch back to our normal sewing foot, and you can see how easy it is to change in and out of these different feet, which makes it super nice. But I want to show you what makes a Bernina a Bernina. So because the bobbin is straight down below, the thread comes down and it comes up. Whenever you have a bobbin that sits on top, it has to come down and turn to come around the bobbin and go to come back up. I'm going to show you what that means. So we're going to go in here under our quilt stitches, and I just want to pull up my favorite stitch, which is a chicken walk stitch. And you're going to see this. It looks like little feet walking. It's the cutest stitch. But I'm going to show you here. So we're just sewing away. Notice I didn't hold my tails. It didn't unthread. Nothing weird. So we're just going to sew. And I'm going to pull a trick on you here. Look at that. Can you see the stitching there? Can you see how even all that looks? That's the back. That was the trick. There's the top. Looks the exact same. So if you want to take advantage of this amazing deal on an incredible sewing and embroidery machine, call 503-775-7283. There's never been a better time to upgrade your sewing machine and get a free arm. This value's up to $2,500 because on some of the bigger machines, they have a bigger arm. So it's just a great way to step into the new stuff. But while we're here, I want to show you what embroidery is. Because remember, I said a lot of quilters say, I don't want embroidery. Well, this was all made with embroidery. This is a Kimberbell, or oesd. Oesd, that's right. We got so many brands. But this is so fun. Bree and Bailey were playing around with this. And this is all done. And it's got a little thing. You can put a little chocolate love note in there. So cute. Here's a little, what is this?
Mug rug.
Mug rug. There we go. For your coffee mug. See, they got stuff I don't even know. This is the coolest thing. And see, little free motion. Kind of fun. Watch this. This pillow was all done with embroidery. And you can see it's all quilted. You got cute little sayings. It's adorable. And this is fringe. Isn't that cool? And all the little textures in the flower here, they're all different. And look at that. Fun glitter vinyl. Everyone loves it. But if you want to take advantage of this, you got to call now. We have limited supply. I had to order these machines to get them in with the free arms. So once we're out of arms, we can no longer do it. But give us a call, 503-775-7283. Never been a better time to upgrade to a phenomenal machine. The one I have at my house, I got to say, my wife's a little Bernina snob, but that's okay. So, and maybe you could be too. So give us a call, 503-775-7283. Bye.